Global warming. Methane, or CH4, is a potent greenhouse gas. It traps significantly more heat than CO2 over shorter periods. Its primary sources include fossil fuel extraction, agriculture, specifically ruminants and rice paddies, and thawing permafrost. Even small increases in methane accelerate warming, leading to ecosystem destabilization. This is evidenced by coral bleaching, drying wetlands, altered species ranges, and disrupted food webs. The speaker also highlights dangerous positive feedback loops where warming triggers further methane release, intensifying the problem. Solutions include fixing leaks, capturing landfill gas, adapting agricultural practices, and restoring ecosystems to reduce emissions and build resilience. He concludes with a call to action to protect ecosystems and the climate. Together, we can make a difference in fighting climate change and protecting our planet's ecosystems.
Methane is a potent greenhouse gas that plays a significant role in global warming and poses a threat to ecosystem stability. This narrative explores the impact of methane emissions, emphasizing its contribution to climate change and potential solutions. Open with a sweeping view of the Earth's atmosphere from space. A narrator's voice, warm and informative, highlights that while carbon dioxide often takes the spotlight in discussions about climate change, methane is a silent but powerful player. Zoom in a livestock grazing on a lush green field. The narrator explains that methane is emitted from various sources, including agricultural practices, specifically cattle digestion and manure management, natural sources like wetlands, and fossil fuel extraction. The scene transitions to a busy city skyline, shrouded in a visible haze. The narrator explains that methane's global warming potential is over 25 times greater than that of carbon dioxide when measured over a century. This makes it one of the most impactful greenhouse gases contributing to the rising global temperatures. Transition to a vibrant coral reef teeming with life. The narrator describes how methane emissions contribute to ocean warming and acidification, leading to coral bleaching and loss of marine biodiversity. Cut to a forest affected by disease due to shifting weather patterns, highlighting how methane-driven climate change affects terrestrial ecosystems as well. Showcase innovative solutions, such as new feed technologies for cattle that reduce methane emissions. Highlight ongoing research and development in renewable energy sources like solar and wind to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Emphasize the importance of global cooperation in addressing methane emissions. Return to the Earth from space, now pulling away to show the fragility of our planet. The narrator concludes with a call to action, encouraging each viewer to consider how they can reduce their methane footprint and support sustainable practices that protect our planet and its ecosystems. The narrative wraps up by reminding viewers that tackling methane emissions is crucial in the fight against climate change, ensuring a stable and vibrant ecosystem for future generations.
In the silent rhythms of our planet, where nature performs its intricate dance, lies an invisible foe endangering its delicate balance. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas quietly escaping from both natural and anthropogenic sources, is subtly destabilizing ecosystems. While its presence is often overshadowed by its more infamous cousin, carbon dioxide, methane's impact is significant and insidious. Methane is primarily released during the decomposition of organic matter in wetlands, as well as through activities such as agriculture, particularly livestock farming and fossil fuel extraction. Its ability to trap heat is approximately 25 times greater than that of carbon dioxide over a 100-year period, leading to accelerated global warming. As methane seeps into the atmosphere, it disrupts ecosystem stability through several pathways. In Arctic regions, where permafrost acts as a frozen reservoir for methane, rising temperatures cause these grounds to thaw, releasing trapped methane and creating a feedback loop of warming. This affects not only the climate but also the native species reliant on the Arctic environment. In aquatic systems, Increased methane concentrations contribute to the depletion of dissolved oxygen. This oxygen scarcity can lead to hypoxic conditions, inflicting stress on marine life. Fish populations may decline, affecting food chains and disrupting the livelihoods of those reliant on fishing industries. Terrestrial ecosystems are not spared. Elevated methane levels impact vegetation health and growth, exacerbating challenges for plant species already contending with climate change. The altered atmospheric conditions favor invasive species that can withstand these changes, thereby reducing biodiversity. Addressing methane emissions is crucial for mitigating its effects on climate change and ecosystem stability. Innovative solutions are required, such as developing technologies to capture and utilize methane, improving agricultural practices to reduce emissions, and enforcing policies that limit methane release from industrial activities. While often unseen and unmeasured, methane's impact on ecosystem stability serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our environment.